Ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Those are the four major stages of the digestive system. So in order to understand them more in depth, I have models in front of you today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through each of these models, and what I'd like you to do is follow along as we're going through each. Okay, so feel free to take apart organs and so forth from these models, and if you could just move that closer to the middle, you guys can all see it. All right, first we'll start with ingestion. So if you look at this model here, can everyone in your groups point to where ingestion occurs? Where does ingestion occur? The mouth. Very good. Okay. So when ingestion occurs in the mouth, there's a few things that work together for ingestion to occur. What are those few things? Teeth is one of them.
The tongue.
The tongue, and pushes the food back. Iris?
Saliva.
Saliva. Very good. From the salivary glands. If you can notice here, some of the models have it. If you can see it on your model, there's a gland right underneath and near your chin. It's kind of brownish on this model. These are the salivary glands. After ingestion through the mouth, the food goes through the esophagus and then enters into the stomach, of which the next stage, digestion begins. And can everyone hold up the stomach? Hold up the stomach. Nice. Good. Good. All right. If you notice the stomach's usually approximately the size of the human's fist. All right. It might be a little bit bigger for some and it's smaller for others. Okay. And that stomach is then where all the food goes into. But sometimes, if some of you might have noticed, you've gone to a buffet, and then what happens to that stomach? It expands. So these organs can expand greatly. And Julia actually has a wonderful model. Can you show everyone what your model shows? What do you notice inside the stomach?
There's a lot of ridges.
And guess what these ridges are made up of?
Muscles.
Muscles. Very good. They're made up of muscles. So you can see that the stomach lining actually has many muscles that work together to allow food to go through the next stage. So after ingestion, it's then in the what? Absorption. Okay, so absorption's happening here in the small intestines. After the small intestines absorb all the nutrients, where does it go? Yes, you're right. But where do all the nutrients go? The rest of the body. So now that we've discussed this as a class, what I'd like you to do in table groups is to work together, all right, and help each other out as you go through the worksheet together. Whatever you don't finish in class will be then due for homework. Yes, please feel free to work with each other.
Break down the
What is biology?
good SAT.